Hey guys, Lloyd Lofton with another episode of Power Behind the Sales. I did a webinar recently for a client, and on this webinar they wanted me to talk about mortgage insurance. But you know, I have a little bit of a version of strictly mortgage insurance. So they wanted me to tout a particular carrier's term life policy. But I have an aversion to that because here's the thing. You know, everybody knows that I had a heart attack a few years ago, 3 or 4 years ago. And I didn't die. So what happened if I actually had to recover for a long period of time? A life insurance policy isn't going to help me pay my bills. So the presentation I did is I packaged a critical illness policy with a term policy, and then I talked about how that provides the financial security for all families. And the reason that's important is, of course, term life insurance is important for mortgages. That helps the family pay off the mortgage. But more important than that, the wife doesn't have to make a choice to remarry somebody because she needs the money. The wife doesn't have to worry about getting rid of the house because she can't afford it, which means she moves the kids out of their school, moves them away from their friends, maybe moves them away from their family, loses her church family. All the things that have made their life normal, she doesn't have to make that decision. But you know when she does have to consider? Is when her husband has a health condition, such as a heart attack or stroke or some other critical illness that requires a long recovery, to still be able to pay the payments, to still be able to keep some kind of normal life to go. And the thing is, with term life insurance right now, it's so reasonably priced that you can package a critical illness policy with it at the same time, and you can make sure that you put a blanket over that family so that the protection that the life insurance is supposed to provide is provided regardless of what their health conditions are. So that's just an idea for you. Don't think of mortgage insurance. Don't think of term insurance. Don't think of critical illness. Think of a mortgage protection plan. Click on the link below. Get full access. Make sure that you subscribe to this video. Click that little alarm so that you can get notified every time I put a video up. And we'll see you on the next call.